Hello, welcome to Mindset Money Success, the podcast where we dive deep into mindset shifts, financial strategies, and success principles that can transform your life. And we've hosted one or two people who've talked about all sorts of different ways that their emotions have been affected. I'm your host, Lorraine Marshall, and today's episode, we're exploring a topic that's intrigued dreamers and achievers alike: vision boards and visualization. Have you ever wondered if creating a vision board and practicing visualization would truly lead to the manifestation of your dreams? Do the glossy collages of your desires actually hold the power to shape your reality? Well, today we're going to look at the science and the anecdotes and the practicalities, determine whether vision boards and visualization are just airy-fairy concepts or potent tools for achieving success. So grab your headphones, get ready, and expand your mind, because we're going to embark on a journey to uncover some of the truth behind vision boards, visualization, and their impact on your track of success. So you're tuned into Mindset, Money, Success. So let's dive in. In a world of manifestation and visualization techniques that are as popular as cheese toasties, there's one tool that stands out among the rest, and that's vision board, also known as a dream board. It's a classic DIY project for those seeking to manifest their dreams and turn aspirations into reality. But do they work? Or are they just pretty collages that clutter up your wall? So let's take a look. The power of visualization. Before we get into the bits of nitty-gritty of vision boards, let's talk about the power of visualization. Countless studies have shown that visualizing success can have a significant impact on achieving your goals. Whether it's imagining yourself crossing the finish line in a marathon, or nailing that job interview, or living in your dream home, visualization activates the same neural pathways in the brain as actually performing the task. It's like a mental rehearsal that primes you for success. So what exactly is a vision or a dream board? A vision board's the collage of images, words, affirmations that represent your goals and aspirations, and things that you want to manifest into your life, whether that is material possessions, experiences, or personal goals. It's a way of constantly reminding your subconscious mind of your goals, and it's more likely that you'll take action to achieve them. So, what examples do we have? When I was a young child, and I remember Muhammad Ali used to always say when he was going to win, what round he would be able to win. And he visualized that himself. And quite often it came true, and he did beat his opponent in the ring. Another person I know that has used visualization is Oprah Winfrey. So when it comes to these success stories, Oprah Winfrey is one of the gold standard. But did you know that she actually creates her own vision boards? And she created a vision board that depicted her goals, including images of a talk show host that she wanted to become and the people that she wanted to interview. And obviously, we all know how that turned out. Another one that you probably have heard of is Jim Carrey, the actor. Before he became one of the highest paid actors in Hollywood, he was a struggling comedian trying to make ends meet. And you might remember that he was interviewed on Oprah Winfrey Show. He actually told his story there because he had this secret weapon. He had wrote out a check for $10 million and he made it out to himself for acting services rendered. He dated it for Thanksgiving of 1995. Then 5 years, which was 5 years into the future, he carried the check around inside of his wallet until it became a reality. So he was able to manifest his dreams. And if we look at another example, Ellen DeGeneres, before Ellen became a beloved host of her own talk show, she's a struggle comedian trying to break into the industry. She had a vision, quite literally. She created a vision board with images of herself on the cover of magazines, hosting her own talk show. She even included a fake Time magazine cover with her face on it. Fast forward a few years and her dreams became reality. Now, alternatively, Jose Silva created the Silva method. Jose Silva is a pioneer in the field of mind programming and the creator of the Silva method. He was emphasized the power of visualization and mental imagery as tools for potential growth and self-improvement. He didn't specifically advocate for vision boards in the traditional sense, but his teachings align closely with the principles behind them. Silva's methods include various techniques to enter a relaxed state of mind, often described as alpha level, where individuals can tap into their subconscious mind and program it for success. So visualization plays a central role in this process, and practitioners encouraged to mentally rehearse desired outcomes and imagine themselves achieving their goals. Although Silva's approach primarily focuses on guided meditation and mental exercises rather than physical collages, the underlying concept is similar. Both vision boards and Silva's techniques aim to harness the power of the subconscious mind to manifest desired outcomes and create positive change in a person's life. While there may not be direct statements from Jose endorsing vision boards, his teaching on visualization and mental programming suggest that he would likely view them as a practical tool for reinforcing positive intentions and aligning the subconscious mind with personal goals. Ultimately, Silva's emphasis on the importance of visualization and mental imagery underscores the effectiveness of techniques like vision boards in facilitating personal growth and achieving desired outcomes. So how to create your vision or dream board. So are you feeling inspired yet? Ready to create your vision board and start manifesting your dreams? Here's how to get started. Get clear on your goals. Before you start cutting out pictures from magazines, take some time to get clear on your goals. What do you want to achieve in the next year, in 5 years, in 10 years? Whether it's career success, financial abundance, or better health, be specific about what you want to manifest. Gather your supplies. To create your vision board, you'll need some basic supplies, including a poster board, scissors, glue or tape, plenty of magazines, and you can use photos, quotes, affirmations printed from the internet. Start collaging. So once you've your supplies gathered, it's time to start collaging. Flip through the magazines, cut out the images and the words that resonate with your goals and aspirations. Don't overthink it. Trust your intuition and choose images that spark joy. and excitement. Arrange and glue. Once you have a pile of images and words, it's time to arrange them on your poster board. Get creative with your layout. Have fun with it. Once you're happy with the arrangement, glue everything down and let it dry. Display your vision board. Once your vision board's complete, find a prominent place to display it where you see it every day. Hang it on your bedroom wall and place it on your desk or lean it against your dresser, whatever works best for you. The key is to keep your vision board somewhere where you see it often and then be reminded of your goals. So do they work? So back to the million-dollar question, do vision boards work? The answer is, it depends. You are the main factor in whether your vision board works or not. Many of the personal development and mindset coaches will talk about the power of mindset visualization and meditation, the law of attraction, manifesting, and the law of vibration. This means that the power ultimately lies within you and your set of beliefs, and it's either you believe or you don't believe. Like any tool or technique, vision boards are only effective if you use them consistently and take action towards your goals. Simply creating a vision board won't magically manifest your dreams overnight. You still have to put in work and take inspired action towards your goals. However, there's no denying the power of visualization and the impact it can have on your mindset and your motivation. So by surrounding yourself with images of what you want to manifest, you're constantly reinforcing your goals and programming your subconscious mind for success. So if you're constantly thinking about lack and limitation, then that's what you will attract. Lack and limitation. In the end, whether or not vision boards work is ultimately up to you. If you approach them with an open mind and willingness to take action, they can be a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams and creating the life you desire. So why not give it a try? Who knows? You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. So I hope you like this episode and tune in for another episode every Friday for Mindset, Money, Success. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.